Deep inhale. Exhale. And you can keep your hands on your knees. People who are not able to breathe very deeply can also extend their hands up and then try to breathe with the hand movement. This just expands your chest, your lungs, your diaphragm, and lets you breathe in very deeply. Last two. Last one. Deep inhale. Exhale करते हुए we will just flap our knees. Back straight, shoulders out, exhale. At this point, I don't want कि आप एक shallow breathing pattern करके inhale or exhale करें बहुत quickly, because right now the importance of the movement is that we have to just fill in our lung capacity and increase our oxygen level in the entire body. That's it. Take your leg forward. अपने दूसरे leg को बिल्कुल flat रखेंगे. Knee towards your toe, that is your shin is on the floor, and move forward with your hands upright. Inhale. If you're finding this too easy, curl in your toe, come in a nice lunge posture, and then do the move again. Come in a nice lunge posture and start with the flexor. Exhale, go down. Inhale. Deep inhale. Deep inhale. And that's it. Switch your side. Take your body forward, hands up, exhale. Feel your chest expanding, your hip abductors getting nice and stretched open. Your glutes getting a nice stretch. Curl in your toe. Let's do the advanced version. Last one. Relax. Come back. Try to touch your nose like this. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Stay there. Try to reach out. Expand your chest. Deep inhale. Deep exhale. Feel your pelvic region getting stretched. Get your hands back on the pelvic clock. Maintain a good body posture. At this point, your core is highly engaged. So are your hip abductors and your pelvic region. Take 5 deep breaths. Take 5 deep breaths. And come back. Expand your chest. Curl back. Expand your chest. Curl back. Relax your body. ये रूटीन आपकी कोर स्ट्रेंथ, आपकी लोअर बॉडी स्ट्रेंथ को वापस लाने में बहुत हेल्प करेगी because that is the powerhouse of our body. You need to get back to life and start living that life with full vigor. Thank you so much for watching FitTime.